Hey guys, it's Emmanuel Lunk with Ready for the Lifestyle. And in this episode, we're going to break down the Kabbage card. Should you use it or should you not? Stay tuned. So for those of you who do not know what Kabbage is, it's a company that provides direct lending to small businesses and consumers through an online automated platform. That's basically it. So you might ask, should you use it? What would The Rock say? It doesn't matter! The real question is, do you really need it? And that really could be answered by you alone, not me. I can't answer that. I don't know what you got going on. If you're in need of fast cash, the turnaround time is at least 1 day, 24 hours for a review. I've seen it done. In the card that I actually shown you at the start, they can give you a debit card. So you can actually take out funds whenever you need it through an ATM, and you can have the cash in hand right away. So that's the good part about it once you establish yourself with them. So they're actually going to look at your history, the transactions that you have in your statements in order to make a determination on if they should extend you some type of funding. Also, they're looking to see, days on negative. They don't want to see any negatives at all. Definitely, the underwriters are looking at that with scrutiny. Then also when it comes down to, non-sufficient funds, don't do that at all. Definitely gonna disapprove you. But on the upside, as far as Kabbage and getting loans from them, they're pretty decent. If you do come in with good business scores and good credit scores, they can be reasonable. They'll even, instead of a regular 30-day payment, they can extend it to about 50 days before they actually charge you principal plus interest. For me, it really varied depending on, what I had in the account. Always, like I said, always keep a low 5 at least before going into any type of advance like that. That's similar to merchant advance. It really depends on you and your business. If you would like to access capital right away, it's a good source of funding. They actually go off of bank statements and a little bit of your credit and business credit history. So if you could provide, at least three months of bank statements showing at least a low 5. That's something that I do talk about in another video. Bank ratings. Provide a low 5 in your bank account. Pretty much you can get something from them upwards to, 5 million. I think they're giving up 5 million. That's a lot of money, right? Should you do it? Like I said, it really depends on you, how fast you need the cash, how much cash you need. It may be an option. Definitely stay tuned. We're gonna have some new videos coming up talking about other funding opportunities such as the credit card options, unsecured financing, and you can also see videos of me filling out applications. Obviously, I blank out the personal information, but the whole thing is that you can do it as well as I did.